New teacher. Miss Elizabeth prepares a sweet prank on her student when Dolly asks permission to go out. Soak jelly powder in water and stir. Put sprinkles into a donut mold and pour in the jelly. Let it harden. Redhead and the new teacher ganged up on Dolly. They sneak a pen with the jelly donut onto Dolly's desk. It looks so delicious. Dolly comes back to the class, and where's her pen? What is it? Did a jelly donut actually appear on her pen instead of the eraser cap? Miss Elizabeth knows how to cheer up her students. Okay, Dolly, take your pen and return the jelly donut to the teacher. I need to glue my paper craft. My friend's glue stick looks weird as always. Where does she get her school supplies? Probably from some mysterious store. Clean an empty glue stick thoroughly. Add dry food coloring to half an ounce of gelatin. Put in half an ounce of sugar and add some citric acid. Pour in some water and stir. Pour the jelly into the stick and let it harden. I want to glue a piece of paper, but Cindy takes her glue away. This is actually fruit jelly. You can't use it as the glue, but you can have a tasty snack with it in class. It's boiling hot! The girls start sweating after thinking too hard. They need to come up with something. Where is my fridge bag? Cut out 2 felt rectangles, a smaller and a bigger one. Round one side of the smaller rectangle. Hot glue the details to a piece of black felt. Apply hot glue to the bottom and to the sides to make 2 pockets. Cut off the excess. Trace the top curve on a black foam rubber sheet. And cut out 3 strips. Hot glue them to the top of the pink felt. Add other black foam rubber details to make it look like a fridge door. Fasten Velcro tapes to the top parts of the pockets. Cut the back part, side panels, and the bottom of the bag out of the black felt. Hot glue to assemble the bag. Add a felt handle. Print out the names for fridge sections and attach refrigerator and freezer labels to the top and the bottom pockets. Cindy takes out her fridge-shaped bag and takes an ice cream from the freezer. It's exactly what I need on such a hot day. She takes out a chocolate bar from the fridge section for herself. This bag is so handy. You know at once that there is a snack here. The class is over and it's time to go home. Redhead puts her school supplies into a pencil case. But it's not just a pencil case, it's a big yellow piece of cheese. Cut pencil case details out of a yellow foam rubber sheet. Rectangles of 2.5 inches wide, elongated triangles with identical sides and a 4-inch base. And rectangles 2.5 inches by 4 inches. Hot glue the details to get a wedge of cheese. Attach 2 rectangular sides to 1 triangle. Add another triangle. Assemble a 3D detail. Cover the back. Attach a Velcro tape to the pointed end. Punch the second set of details with a hole puncher. Make it look like holes on real cheese. Details to the cheese pencil case. Why has Redhead hidden her pencils case for so long? This Parmesan pencil case looks great in pictures. We are getting delicious photos with it. Miss Elizabeth notices too. She likes her new students. They are as funny as she is. This is why she wants to make a surprise for them. Real cheese sandwiches instead of the cheese pencil case. See you next time at school. Did you like our new ideas on how to sneak food into class? Then write in your comments which teacher you like the most. Our beloved Miss Smith or stylish and kind Miss Elizabeth. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new school ideas on the Troom Troom channel.